Cogeco Wi-Fi pods eliminate dead zones using mesh Wi-Fi technology. This system creates seamless coverage throughout your home. First, unbox your Wi-Fi pods and plug the primary pod directly into your Cogeco modem's LAN port. This establishes the main connection point for your mesh network. Power on your additional pods and place them strategically around your home. Keep pods at least 30 feet apart and avoid placing them near metal objects or obstructions that could interfere with the signal. Download the latest Cogeco app version 8.1 on your iOS or Android device. Open the app and log in using your Cogeco account credentials. In the app, use the AI-powered Home Scan feature. This will map your home layout and provide intelligent suggestions for optimal pod placements to ensure the best Wi-Fi coverage throughout your space. Follow the on-screen prompts in the app to connect each pod to your Wi-Fi network. Remember, this requires an active Cogeco Internet subscription and the Ignite Gateway 2.0 modem. Pods are available for rental starting at $9.99 per month. After setup, run the app's speed test to ensure speeds exceed 100 megabits. Reposition pods if necessary. Enable automatic firmware updates for the latest features and security, currently v5.21 with WPA4 encryption. The Cogeco app now features AI insights that predict outages and speed dips. Customize device-specific rules like prioritizing streaming and monitor energy usage. For gaming, use Pod Boost mode. The app's troubleshooting tools can detect interference and suggest channel changes or pod resets. Keep your app updated for optimal performance.